Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken pasta. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a fantastic meal. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast and 8 ounces of pasta, like fettuccine or penne. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 small chopped onion. Don't forget 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Now, let's get cooking. Start by dicing your chicken breast into 1-inch pieces and seasoning them well with salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it's golden brown and cooked through. While the chicken cooks, boil your chosen pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Next, we'll create our rich and creamy sauce. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and sauté for about 3 minutes until it softens. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is beautifully smooth and slightly thickened. Almost there. Now it's time to bring everything together. Return your perfectly cooked chicken to the skillet with the creamy sauce. Add the drained al dente pasta and gently toss everything together, ensuring every strand is coated in that wonderful sauce. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese. Serve your delicious homemade chicken pasta immediately and enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.